Hi everyone, it's Rich here at Enhanced Car Audio and Security. Just want to spin you around. So I'm currently sitting in an Astra J VXR 2015. Customers brought this vehicle to us for a radio upgrade. Anybody that knows this vehicle, just spin you around. Anybody that knows this vehicle knows that the center console has to be replaced in order to replace the radio. So as you can see, this large silver trim here in the middle, this is the new fascia panel. Allows you to install any double-din radio of your choice. This particular customer has gone for a Pioneer DA360. So this particular unit has full Apple Carplay, Android Auto. You've got normal things like Bluetooth, USB, AM, FM, DAB radio. It's pretty well equipped, this unit. The vehicle has also got factory steering wheel controls, which we've managed to retain. So he's got his volume and seek and search buttons on the wheel still working. You've also got parking sensor bongs, door open warnings, light warnings. As part of the interface we've put into this vehicle, that's also retained as well, so he still gets all the audio and warning sounds from that. We are able to change a radio in a multitude of vehicles, so if you have got a vehicle you're looking to replace the radio, or even just add Apple CarPlay or Android Auto to a vehicle that's already got a factory screen in there, that's definitely something that we can do for you. Please, by all means, give us a call 01622 737393. Alternatively, you can contact us at www.caraudiokent.co.uk, and hopefully we can help you out. Cheers.